Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sky in a video background. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Click new project from your Capcut application. Select your particular video where you want to change the background. Click add. I'm going to split this video for quicker demonstration. Okay, I'm making the video shorten actually. Okay, after that click overlay, add overlay. Select the background of sky that you want to put. You can download it from YouTube or pixel.com. Click add. Okay, adjust it, go to the blend option. Okay, select overlay. Here it is. Okay, or you can make it any other blend like that. Okay, I think it's perfect. Click the check mark, then tap on the first video. After that you have to copy that video. Okay, here it is. Then click overlay. Here it is. Adjust it to the bottom, then tap on the second video again. Click cutout, click remove background, click the check mark. Here it is. So this is how easily you can just change the sky of your video. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.